Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase tickets online for the Sainte Chapelle Conciergerie. This is a very simple thing to do, and if you want to go ahead and skip all the annoying queues and long wait times, you can go ahead and purchase the tickets using the first link you're going to see down in the description of this video. Once you open up that link, it's going to take you to the official ticket platform right here, from where we can get started. You're going to be able to click the check availability option. It's going to enable you to take a look at all the available dates that you can purchase the tickets for. So let's say we want to purchase them for the 14th right here. I'm going to select the date, and then it's going to enable me to select the time slot as well. Let's say 9:30, and then we can go and select what kind of ticket we want. So let's say one adult ticket, and then we can go ahead and click next to go to the experience page, where you can go and select similar experiences if you're interested. If not, just go ahead and click no thanks and go to the personal details page. This is where we can get started filling out our personal info, such as first name, last name, email address, phone number, and so on. All of that is going to be available to fill out. Make sure to fill it out correctly, because once you've done so, you can go to the payment page. It's going to open up this new payment method menu, where we can go and take a look at all payment methods that are available to us. So you're going to have Apple Pay, debit and credit card, or PayPal. Choose whichever one fits you the best. I'm going to select debit and credit card, and it's going to open up this new menu from where I can get started filling out my card info. Once you have done so and click the pay button, you're going to make the purchase successfully, and your tickets are going to arrive on your email address that you have used for signing up your account on this platform. So there you have it. Go into the description of this video, find the link, open it up, and get started getting your tickets today. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.